If you have an old shed in your backyard that's seen better days, then it might be time to invest in Trash Wizard's shed removal services. At Trash Wizard, we specialize in the safe and efficient removal of old sheds so that you can reclaim your space. We understand that dealing with an old shed can be a hassle, which is why we offer our services at an affordable price. Sheds are great for extra storage space, but what do you do when your shed is old and no longer usable? You can't just leave it there to rot. Let's explore the process of an old shed removal in Tampa. We'll cover the basics of what you need to do to get rid of your old shed, from contacting the professionals at Trash Wizard to the demo of your old shed and hauling it away. By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of how to get rid of an old shed in Tampa, Florida. There are many reasons why you might want to remove an old shed from your property. Maybe it's been sitting empty and unused for years, or maybe it's in disrepair and falling apart. Either way, removing an old shed can be a big project. Here are some things to consider before you start. 1. Cost. Removing an old shed can be expensive, especially if it's large or in disrepair. With Trash Wizard, we'll be able to provide you with clear, transparent pricing based on the size of your old shed. 2. Disposal. Once the shed is taken down, our licensed and insured staff will do all the heavy lifting for you. We use local transfer stations to properly dispose of your old shed and its contents. 3. Impact on your property. Removing an old shed will likely leave a hole or depression in the ground where it once stood. You may need to fill this in or level it off before you can use that area of your property again. 4. Removal time. Removing an old shed is not a quick project. It may take anywhere from a few hours to a few days to complete, depending on the size and condition of the shed. It's best to contact Trash Wizard for transparent pricing and a clear time frame to complete your shed removal. If you're in Tampa and are in need of shed removal services, you've come to the right place. At Trash Wizard, we specialize in shed removal and disposal. We'll come to your home or business and remove your old shed quickly and efficiently. When it comes to shed removal, we know what we're doing. Since 2009, we've completed over 10,000 jobs. Our staff has the knowledge and experience to get the job done right. We'll remove and dispose of your old shed safely. If you need shed removal services in Tampa, contact us today for a free estimate and learn more about how we can help you get rid of your old shed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.